Hello, my super friends and family in the house. How are you all doing? How you all doing? How you all doing? God bless you all. My old subscribers, my new subscribers, my returning subscribers, and of course, those that are yet to subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Afinga Licky Delicacy Kitchen. Today, guys, I'm going to show you how you can prepare your own water leaf and ugu leaf. As you can see, they are so fresh. Check them out. Check them out. This water leaf. Check them out. This water leaf, guys. As you can see, I have a bunch of water leaf here. Yes. So I present to you my water leaf. Then after that, I present to you my ugu leaf. This is my ugu leaf. I present to you my ugu leaf. As you can see, they are so fresh. Yes, so if you are not yet subscribed, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Finalizing Delicacy Kitchen. As you can see, this is my this is my chicken gizzard and everything. I bought this one. It was done behind the camera. As you can see, yes, here are my chopped onions. As you can see, I have 4 chopped onions here. As you can see, the soup I'm going to make today is it's going to be a large soup. So here I have my shrimps, my smoked shrimps. As you can see, guys, when you have these shrimps in your ugu leaf and water leaf soup, your water leaf soup and ugu soup is not complete. As you can see. Here I have my crayfish. Crayfish is very essential for your vegetable, for water leaf and ugu leaf soup. Very, very essential. Here I have my chopped garlic. I have 4 cloves of garlic here, already chopped. Here I have my snail. As you can see, without snail, I already have my Kpomon here. As you can see, guys, my Kpomon is already chopped. As you can see, already Kpomon, Cowleg, shaki, everything already chopped and thoroughly washed. So that is it. Here, guys, here is my chopped bell pepper. Here I have my bell pepper. One bell pepper already sliced and chopped. Here I have my diced pepper blended. I have my yellow diced pepper here blended. Because this soup is going to be hot. People that order for this soup, they say they want it spicy and hot. So here, guys, here I have my mackerel fish, the one I smoked yesterday, mackerel and sesame fish. So I thoroughly opened them up. I removed all the bones, and they are thoroughly washed. I did all this behind the camera just to save time, guys. Here I have my stockfish, as you can see, my stockfish and my what they call it, smoked catfish. These are the smoked catfish, as you can see. These are the smoked catfish. These are the smoked catfish, and the rest are stockfish. So without this stockfish and smoked catfish, your water leaf and pumpkin leaf soup is not a go. This stockfish and this catfish, they will take your water leaf and ugu leaf soup to the highest level ever. Here I have my smoked turkey. Smoked turkey is very essential in your vegetables. I'm telling you, smoked turkey, they give your vegetable a very unique and beautiful taste. I'm telling you. As you can see, guys, here are my chicken stocks. I'm going to use my Knorr cubes. I'm going to use my Knorr powder and my Knorr cubes. I'm going to use for today cooking. So here I have my palm oil. I'm going to take from this palm oil. I know how to measure my palm oil with my eyes, so I'm used to that. So I'm going to take it from this palm oil. So that is it, guys. That is it. Just tune in. Let's do it together. Let's go down. Let's do it. Let's do it together, guys. Hello guys, yeah. So this I want to pick my water leaf now. So you can see how you can just watch me how I pick my water leaf. You can also do the same thing when you have your water leaf. This is how I pick my water leaf. Just be picking it one. After picking, then I'll come and wash. Check it out, guys. You see the flower, you must remove the flower. There's one flower inside like this. You remove it there. I pick it like this. I'm almost through. As you can see this is the water leaf. Almost through. I still have some little ones here. To pick. I eat only fresh water leaf and Uguleaf. I don't like the frozen ones. But the fresh one, they taste fresher, better, with more nutrients than the frozen one. So now I've finished picking the water leaf. So now it's time to Uguleaf I have to pick now. As you can see, guys, I am through. Check out the Uguleaves. This is what I got. This is the garbage I got. I'm going to throw them away. I just added something like this. Then I start washing with cold water. Thoroughly washed and clean, super clean. So the next stage now is to wash the water leaf with cold water also. Before then, I add in the salt. Why I'm washing it is to make sure that all the sand gets out. Because when it's not good to eat, so if you're eating, then you feel sand in your soup, in your food. Very, very bad. I don't like it at all. I hate it. That is why I make sure my greens I always wash my green thoroughly. Uguleaf, guys. Easy. Check it out. The Uguleaves and the Waterleaf. As you can see, Waterleaf. Green. Uguleaves. Hello, my super friends and family in the house. As you can see, first of all, I have to thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you all so much. You guys have been so wonderful. God bless you all. I love you all. I love you all with the whole of my heart. You guys are the best ever. You guys are bomb. You guys are so wonderful. You guys are so awesome. Thank you all so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm Finger Licking Delicacy Kitchen. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much. I love you all so much. I love you all so much. You move and back. Thank you all so much. This is Finger Licking Delicacy Kitchen. Thank you. A big shout out to my new subscribers, my old subscribers, my returning subscribers. And if I'm Paraventure, you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please guys subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe by clicking the top button for all notification. And whenever you do this, anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe and join the family. Subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Today, guys, I'm going to show you guys. As you can see, I have my turkey already on the pot, inside the pot. My chicken, I have turkey, I have chicken. So I have a gizzard, I have everything inside. So what the next step now, guys? Yeah, the next step now is to put in my streams. As you can see, just put in the streams. Then I'm going to add a little bit water. I put in the streams. As you can see, I'm going to put in my snail. You can see, I'm putting in my snail. As you can see, so you can see everything is inside. The next step is to put in my onions, my chopped onions. So I just add water to rinse my chopped onions inside. Because today I'm going to make fresh ugu leaf, fresh ugu and fresh ugu and fresh waterleaf. So nothing have to be wasted. So now I just turn. The next thing is to put in my chopped pepper. On this recipe, I just decided to put in one pepper to make it colorful, colorful and taste. Yeah, and taste super yummy. So that is it, guys. I add water because this uguleaf and waterleaf don't to add a lot of water because waterleaf on its own has water. So I'm going to add my crayfish, as you can see. Yeah, I love to cook with it. In this kind of soup, you need a lot of crayfish. Garlic, as you can see. I put in my chopped garlic. Then I'm going to put in my chopped garlic. I don't want to put a cow leg because the cow leg is already soft. So I need to put in my stuff. So I just put in my stuffed fish now. You all mix together before I cover it to cook, stuff it to cook. Wow! This, check out that aroma. So the next thing is to put in my grated pepper, hot chili pepper. This is my hot chili pepper. Yeah. Let's see as it goes. Maybe I will need to put more later. So guys, so I have to put in my Maggie cube, but I have to put it here. Yeah. So if you are cooking, you want your Maggie cube to be soiled. This is for hard Maggie. If you have a very hard Maggie, your Maggie is very hard. You just put it near the fire like this. Put it near the fire like that, and like this. In a few seconds, you see that when you remove it, it will just dissolve easily. Let me see. Just see. You see, it's very easy. Peradventure, your Maggie cube, you want you to, because some Maggie cubes are very very hard. So what you have to do, you see, just put it near the fire. Very very easy to break. You see. So that is it, guys. So the next thing now is to put in my breadcrumbs oil. That is it. Check out the aroma. So guys, I'm going to cover it up to cook for 15 minutes. Yes. So guys, it's almost it's been 10 minutes now. Let me see. Wow. Let me remove the fish so it will not scatter. It's time for me to introduce my Kpomon. As you can see, yeah, Kpomon, shaki, Cowleg. So putting in the Cowleg, the Kpomon and shaki. I've already parboiled them before, so I'm just putting them in now. So I'm going to stir so that everything goes inside. Is to introduce my smoked fish, my smoked mackerel fish. As you can see, I smoked this fish yesterday. So this is time for me to introduce this fish now, mackerel and sese. So I just open it. I open everything up. I remove all the bones. As you can see, hey, this soup, is going to. This food is going to another level. Hey. So I have to stir together. This time I have to do it gently. I try to remove some of the bones inside, just to see once I'm saying. Yummy, yummy. These things are just too much inside. It's just too much. Now I have to add a little bit water. Let me add a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah. So let me add a little bit water from the one I have here. That's okay. I'm going to use this one to make my pounded yam. So, yes. Let me start together. Minutes. Before I introduce my Uguleaf and the Waterleaf. So now it's more than 10 minutes now. So it has been cooking for more than 10 minutes now. Let me open it and see. Wow. First of all, I put the Uguleaf. So I put the Uguleaf now. This is my already cooked gizzard. It's already cooked. So now I introduce my Waterleaf. I'm going to introduce my Waterleaf now. My assurance soup is ready, guys. Check out my assurance soup. Like my assurance soup is ready. Check it out, guys. Let me put out the gas. Yes, I already put out the gas so I do not overcook. This is so yummy. This is yummy. Oh. This is my assurance Waterleaf soup with pumpkin leaf soup. Uguleaf. This is my Waterleaf soup with Uguleaf soup from Finger Licking Delicacy Kitchen. Please, guys, if you like what I'm doing, give it a thumbs up, guys, thumbs up if you like what I'm